चलो यार बस 5 मिनट का योगा ब्रेक लेकर आते हैं। अगर आपको कोई सरकारी कर्मचारी काम पर जल्द ही ऐसा कहते हुए मिले तो हैरान मत होना, ये ब्रेक कर्मचारियों की मनमर्जी नहीं बल्कि सरकार ने ऐसा करने को कहा है। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष की तरफ से एक नया योगा ऐप बनाया गया है। आयुष मंत्रालय ने योगा ऐप ब्रेक लॉन्च कर सभी कर्मचारी एम्प्लॉयज़ को इस ऐप को डाउनलोड करने का निर्देश दिया है। ड्यू टू अ हेक्टिक शेड्यूल, working professionals often miss out on essential health-related activities such as exercise and eating proper meals. Long working hours can be stressful experience and can lead to issues such as backache, neck pain, muscle stiffness, and joint issues. This can take a toll on mental and physical health, thereby affecting workplace productivity. So if you are in office but feeling tired, stressed, or out of focus instead of working, a Y Break app can be very helpful for you. Y Break or Yoga Break is an app that can help you freshen up, de-stress at work, and to regain focus on work there. So let's understand about Y Break app and why it is useful for all of us. The app was launched by Ministry of Ayush. Mr. Sarvanand Sonowal launched the Y Break mobile application at Vigyan Bhavan on Wednesday, September 1, 2021. The Y Break mobile application has been developed by Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga. It is also very easy to use. Just follow these simple steps. First, download it from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Link is already given in description of this video. Second, install this app. Third, fill simple information like your name, age, gender, country, city, phone number, email ID, and then simply click on register. Once you are registered, you have to do only simple yoga activities. Remember, this Y Break app or the Yoga Break mobile application is a unique 5-minute yoga protocol app designed especially for working professionals to de-stress, refresh, or refocus at their workplace to increase their productivity, and consists of Asanas, Pranayam and Dhyana. While on one hand, the app will facilitate doing yoga and meditation with ease anywhere in just 5 minutes. It will also bring awareness about different yoga practices. I hope you have very well understood everything about this app. So spend only 5 minutes only for your good health with the help of Y Break app. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet again in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.